Is it Yolissa?
If you wanna get a block, then you should see the man. Diamonds all through the watch, and you should see the.
What's up, guys? It's JayyPinkk, and I am finally back with another video. So this video is going to be my initial reaction of unboxing some 613 hair. I recently ordered some hair. I was trying to order from another vendor whose name I won't slander just because they actually ended up reaching out to me and rectifying the situation. But I had already ordered some hair. I wasn't going to pay for more hair. So I ordered off of Yolissa Hair on AliExpress. The package hasn't been opened yet, so we're going to open it together. The company was so nice, or her name is Julie. I'm not going to try to pronounce that last name. I know I'm going to butcher it. Julie was very sweet. She made sure I had my tracking information, made sure I knew when the package would be here. Like, she was just very sweet, very nice. She told me to let her know if I had any problems, all the things of that nature. So if you order off from them, they are going to be very nice, reach out to you, all that jazz. And I'm not a big YouTuber, so like, I don't see why she would just be nice to me. So we got scissors, and I'm actually really excited. It's my first time ordering blonde hair, so I really don't know what to expect. I also got a frontal this time. I'm just... Okay, so inside, this is what you see, and I can already see that they sent me some lashes. Wow, these look nice. So this is the 16-inch. It looks really thick in the pack. I watched some reviews before I decided to order from them because this is supposed to be my backup company that I was supposed to order from. Because the sale that was going on was a flash sale and it's pretty lit. I didn't want stuff to run out, honestly. This is the 18-inch. And then the 20 inches. And then I also got a 14-inch frontal. I'm going to show you everything and go over everything. Okay, so that is all the contents of the bag. I'm so excited! And I'm probably going to be all over the place because I'm just so excited. This is just my initial review. I'm going to give you guys like a real review. And I'm going to try to structure a little better. I'm going to try to do better with my stuff. Let's start with the shortest length. I kind of don't want to cut. Oh, I'm not going to cut the bag. So all the bundles come in, all the bundles are going to come bundled, like most bundles do. They come in their own little bag. They all have a sticker that let you know, what length is actually in your bag. Oh, so when I bought the hair, it was, the AliExpress has this 11/11 sale. It was the same day as the other sale, obviously. So it was a really big sale. I got it for a nice deal. I'll try to have the link that I purchased, the link of what I purchased, and the store link, and have all the information like what I paid for it in the screen somewhere. So they all come packaged like this. Says big sale. Says it's 100% human hair. And how you test human hair is if you light it and it like shrivels up like plastic, it's not human hair, it's synthetic. If it turns into ash, it's actual human hair. All right, so taking it out first. Okay, so it's not the softest, but I don't necessarily expect it to be like super soft. I do like the shine on it. I don't have a whole lot of expectations for the hair just because it is like blonde hair and it has to go through a whole lot of process. I'm really not a critic when it comes to weave because honestly it's weave. Like the whole reason I buy it is so I can be rough with it because I'm not gonna do it to my hair. So I'm really not that deep when it comes to weave. It's not incredibly soft. It may actually have something like a coating on it. Again, it's blonde hair, so it's been processed, so it probably does, because the more I'm like combing it, I feel that it, it feels a little better now, if that makes sense. Oh wow, it doesn't smell like what I thought it would smell like. This one, I expected to smell pretty bad, but it smells like weave. Like when you buy weave from the hair store, that's what this smells like. It smells like a pack of weave. If you ever bought bundles, or I guess whatever, if you buy hair from the hair store, you know what hair store hair smells like. It smells like hair. 16. I'm not gonna measure it. That's pretty long though. I'll open all the bundles for you guys. I'm really just so excited. I low-key want to open them all anyway. This is the 18-inch. So we got the 16 and the 18. Okay, that's believable. The 18 is definitely longer. Okay, this one smells a little bit more like hair than this one. So the smell of the 18-inch is definitely stronger of the 16-inch. Like I smelled this before, like when I took it out of the bag versus this. I actually had to put my nose on this. I could smell this. This smells like hair. Like it doesn't stink. It just like it really reeks of like weave. Like if I was directly like swarmed in weave. And then finally is the 20-inch. And wow, the 20-inch actually doesn't smell like anything. So the 16-inch light, 18-inch heavy, and the 20-inch doesn't smell like anything at all. Like it really doesn't have a fragrance. Like that's, wow, nothing. Nah, nothing. This is a 20-inch, feels soft. This one seems to be just a little bit more frizzier. But again, I'm gonna wash them, condition them before I dye them and all that stuff. But I'm so excited. Right now, I'm so excited to have some new weave that I don't even know what to do with myself. Like, I'm so excited to have some new weaves. I don't even know if I have anything bad to say about the hair right now. The hair seems good. I don't really know a whole lot about wefts and stuff, but they look good. Actually, they're kind of thin compared to what the weaves that I purchased before. And finally, what I'm super excited about is the frontal. Okay, so this is the frontal, and it comes in this little hair net, I guess for obvious reasons. Okay, so already opening the frontal, I can see, I guess it's just like brown hair that's mixed into the blonde, but like there are some like a random cluster of brown knots, if that makes sense. Like, but this is nice. This feels divine. This is soft, like the soft. This closure is nice. But this is my first frontal, so you know what I'm saying, this is my only standard. This is the first one. So this is my first frontal. The shine is really nice. Oh, I guess it will go ear to ear. Wow. Smells like hair store hair. Not really strong though. Kind of like the 16-inch bundle. Not very strong, but it definitely smells like hair. So I'm gonna try to zoom in on these random brown knots I'm talking about. You see there, like they're just random specks of brown, and the hair is supposed to be all blonde. I'm not sure what that means. It doesn't really bother me a whole lot, especially if they're not going to show up in the wig. I also plan on trying to tint this. I'm going to record the whole process of this wig because I'm just so excited. I have such a fun project for this hair. I'm just too excited. I guess I can stop talking now. Like, I've showed you guys the hair. I'm just really excited. They got some baby hairs on here. I think the frontal is supposed to come pre-plucked, but I'm definitely still gonna need to do some plucking. I'm just so excited. I cannot wait. Like, honestly, I can't wait for you guys to see what I do to this hair, because it's not gonna look anything like this. It's gonna be completely different. I'm just so excited.